Hey everybody, sorry for the weird dimensions of the video. I accidentally had OBS in 720p from when I was streaming and forgot to change it back. Sorry for the lack of quality for today's episode. I also look like death in the next 4 parts, and I'm pretty sure I said one less part. So example, this I think I said part 4, so it's actually part 5. Anyway, enjoy the video.
Hello everybody and welcome back to the Cowdino Arcade. I'll be your player 1, Mark, or Mopkin17. Welcome back to part 4 of Chrono Trigger. So last episode we made our way through this castle area. Now if you see me looking left and looking at my capture, I did record about a 20-minute episode yesterday, my time. But that was me reorienting myself with the place and then getting to the final boss, realizing that I had no tonics, and dying. So if I go ahead and just take a quick look at my inventory and stuff, we're gonna be good. We're gonna be good for a long time. So let's go ahead and start it up. I'm gonna see if I can avoid these guys. Oh no, I can't. I do remember. I don't have much magic power, which is a little unfortunate. Okay. Let's do that. I did switch out the weapons a little bit. So Bite now has an iron sword. Or did that happen last episode? Oh, that's unfortunate. Just keep attacking these guys, I guess. And I changed Emily, or Luca, the actual in-game name, to a different pellet gun or something like that. Which I guess did like 2 more damage on the attack stat, but the frog's behind the title bar, that's so weird. Alright. Nice, okay, that's done for. Let's go ahead and restore the magic power of... yeah, so I did get to this point, and I was like, oh, I don't want to get more tonics. And then I was like, alright, I should go back. So like I died and everything. I reset the thing, and I was like, alright, I should go back and get some tonics and stuff. 12, 24, yeah. And I was like, I probably will only get, I don't know, 10, but they're so cheap, and I have so much gold, so. Whoops. Save. Yeah, I'm not using those save points anymore. Alright, I guess I have to fight these guys. I'm just gonna slide through that real quick. Hopefully nobody minds. Sorry if you do. I am just gonna check on health levels real quick. Yeah, we're good. Prepare yourself, Queen Lean. I know who it is now, and I think I called it in the last episode, but I don't remember if I did or not. You are not called it, but like said he was sketchy. How did you get in here? Wait, never mind. Didn't we meet him last episode? I'm totally never mind. Bite.
Your Majesty, stand back and allow us the honor.
Be careful.
Yeah, it's useless to fight. No one will leave here alive. Stupid frog, it's time you jumped off this mortal coil.
Hamlet reference.
To form change.
For we have shuffled out this mortal coil. I can't remember the midway through, but I can start from the beginning. But nobody wants to hear that, so. Reverts to Yakra. Alright, so I was a little cheap, and I'm gonna attack. Wait, can I? What does calm do? X strike is, I think, the thing that I'm supposed to do. Okay, just because it does a lot of damage. I need to explore these much more. And I guess I'm not supposed to do anything with Emily, but... And then just keep X striking. I mean, it does a crap ton of damage, but like... Attack him. And then use Emily for healing, I guess. I guess item. I don't know why they're so spaced apart. I don't know how to organize my inventory. So, too close. Can't counterattack. Okay. Hopefully I didn't just attack with... Hopefully, I'm not gonna... I don't know. I mean, I looked up a quick, like, how to quickly defeat Yakra because I went through this a bunch. And it was just taking a while to just attack him and everything. No. But I should keep using X-Strike or something. I mean, I have plenty of MP for it. Magic. I think it's magic power. Hopefully, I'm not saying the wrong thing there.
Draw.
Wait for that combine to come across. Alright, let's do... Put the enemies to sleep. Okay, let's just try that. Why not?
Draw.
Oh? Okay. Don't do that. That doesn't work. At least it doesn't on bosses. I think I just defeated him. Yeah. I feel kind of scummy for looking up a guide and stuff, but I don't know. I just want to look up a way to get him over quick. Seeing as last time, I mean, I didn't have much health last time, and I kept attacking with, I guess, something with like how close you are to the boss, and depending on how much damage I'll deal to you. I might take this off just a little bit.
You came to rescue me. Thank you, Bite.
Okay, I can still hear the music through these. It's just, I don't know, wearing them feels a little clunky.
The king awaits. Let us return to the castle. I thank thee, Merc and Emily.
No, don't tell me I have to leave Bite.
Yes, thank you so much. Please join us.
I want to keep Bite on my party forever and ever. First, let's check these treasure chests. Got one. Me either. Also, I figured out real translator.
Thank you. That monster stuffed me in there. Oh, Your Highness, as you can see, I am undamaged.
Okay.
Let's return to the castle.
What was I totally forget what I was saying. I'm sorry.
You had me worried, Lean. That no good Yakra impersonating me and kidnapping the queen. We must create a criminal justice system in this kingdom to do away with such fiends.
Hell yeah, give it to Bite. Give it to Bite. Do it.
I failed to protect Queen Lean. I hath disgraced thee.
No, Bite.
Bite. No.
I'm supposed to follow him? Bite. Join me on my adventures.
'Twas a fault of mine which endangered the queen. I shall depart for good.
No.
Merc, you have potential to be a good swordsman.
Not great. Thanks, Bite. It's kind of demeaning.
Back here.
Froggy, you weren't such a bad guy either. No. Freaking.
God damn.
Okay, well. These episodes, I'm thinking of aiming for 15 minutes, getting to 20.
Your timing was perfect. Who knows what would have happened had you not saved me? By the way, where is the girl who was mistaken for me?
Oh yeah, I forgot all about Princess Nadia. Merc, where did Princess Nadia disappear? She may still be there.
Beware.
Thank you, Merc, but who was that girl we found in the canyon?
Your great-great-great-great-granddaughter, I think. Wait, yeah, wait, what? Is she supposed to be somewhere specific? This has more space to it? No? Okay. Red thing at the bottom left that I feel a little inclined to explore, but I'm not going to. Wait, what? Okay. Oh, okay. Wait, what? Yeah. Did I miss something really important? Oh, it's the room up here with the maids and whatever. Right? But I think it's the other stairwell. The beast is poisonous. The Chancellor? Well, the fake one had much better taste. Okay, I'll take your word for it. Sorry, my phone just dinged. Okay, I'll go up to the staircase. Who's that? Wait. No, didn't she disappear and get ripped apart in time? Wasn't... I might have to cut here. Unless this is it. Oh, she's coming back. Okay, never mind. We're good. That was slightly correct. Awesome. Oh, what voice did... Huh? What happened? I might as well give her the same voice as Lean.
Princess Nadia! Mark! It was awful. I can't recall it all. I was somewhere cold, dark, and lonely. Is that what it's like to die?
Or be trapped in a time paradox, perhaps.
Welcome back, Princess Nadia. You risked your life to help me, too? Princess Nadia? Uh-oh.
You know who I am?
I guess you guys figured it out, huh? Sorry, Mark, I didn't mean to deceive you. I'm Princess Nadia, my father's King Guardia. The 33rd.
XXXIII.
I really enjoyed being with you at the fair, but if you had known my identity... Mark, you wouldn't have shown me around the fair, right?
Wrong.
Oh, Mark, that's why I like you. The real queen's safe, right? Let's go home, Mark.
Alrighty. Let's go home. I'm assuming it's back to the portal where we first came to this dimension. Unless, of course, no, never mind. That was just the music changed based on location. Okay. I was like, is there a boss battle about to happen? I should save. Alright, let's head back to the portal. Actually, I'm going to head back to the portal off camera. And if any events show up, we'll just cut back into the recording because I'm doing a session, maybe 3 or 4 episodes. Anyway, thank you everybody for watching. Much appreciated. If you enjoyed, make sure to leave a comment, like down below, all that jazz. And share the video around. It would be much appreciated. Anyway, thanks again for watching, and as always, have a good one.